what types of things can organisations be doing to prepare to leverage the likes of innovation from Paymark and Akahu, whilst also considering how they can mitigate some of the risk when it comes to handling data in an open environment?
Just decide what you want to own and what you're happy to outsource. There are going to be certain parts of your open banking tech stack that are non-negotiables around security, around compliance, perhaps around customer experience. So those are the things that you will want to make sure that whether you build or buy, that you're doing that up to the standard that's required, expected of your customers and of yourselves. The other thing to note is that ultimately your competitive advantage is not going to be driven by how compliant you are with the regulatory regime. Your competitive advantage is going to be driven by the customer experience and then what you do with that data. So the way that we work with our customers here, whether they're fintechs or they're banks, is we help them understand what are the parts of the tech stack that they should partner. So Akahu is a great example of the kind of fintech that we would encourage our customers to partner with, because the API integration or the consent management process flow, especially in Australia, is set by the regulator. And you will not build a competitive advantage by building a better customer consent process, because the regulator is going to tell you exactly the screens that you have to go through. But you will build a competitive advantage by building a better customer experience after the consent, by taking that open banking data and delivering something for your customer that your competitors cannot, or delivering it better. So it's less around kind of what is the specific technology you should use than being very, very clear on where does your competitive advantage come from. Really, really invest in that. And then where there is the undifferentiated heavy lifting, find the best partners for you and double down on them and just go faster with them.